What's going on, everybody? Alligator here, and this is a video off of TikTok. I'm not really sure. I'll try to put the link in the description, all that good stuff. Give them the credit that they're due. But this is about an 11-foot gator, and you really need to watch all the way to the end and listen to what is being said. And then I'm going to talk about it at the end. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. And I'm out. Alligator. Deuces.
Oh no. Snake. You gotta go help him. Watch this. The roll. Yeah, he's gonna be pissed in a second. He's gonna like a dinosaur. I've never heard one make that noise. Did you get that? Yeah.
Jeff, we're good.
You're gonna need a new pole.
Oh, you think?
Who gave it away?
1, 5, 9,
It's an around the corner kind of pole.
You mean it's not Rubbermaid?
4, 2, 4.
My God. Hey, Flip, out of curiosity, should one of us have our rifle out right now?
No.
One of us have our rifle out right now? No.
Now, under section 790.25, section 3, subsection N, it is lawful to be on your property or your place of business and openly carry. I know the officer is thinking that possibly this gentleman's talking about having his rifle to shoot this alligator. In the state of Florida, unless that alligator is attacking you or someone or something, that would be the only way that you would be able to use your firearm in self-defense. Just because there's an alligator in the water, just because the alligator may seem aggressive, doesn't mean you have the right to shoot alligators. It's actually against the law. So if you do encounter an alligator and it's on your property, the best thing to do is try to either get in touch with FWC, animal control, or whatnot, and let them deal with it. But if that said alligator is trying to eat your dog or try to eat your child in the pool or something to that effect, you have absolutely 100% the right to protect your child from being killed by an alligator or your dog. You know, the alligator is going to have to be in the process of trying to do harm to somebody, if that makes sense. So, best suggestion, get in touch with FWC. If it's attacking someone or another animal or something, once again, you're going to have to deal with the repercussions because, once again, like I said, it's a real finicky line. But anytime there's life is in danger, you do have the right to protect it, whether it's from wildlife or whether it's from a person. So I'm not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. Do your research. I will put all the links to these statutes and such in the description. That way you can kind of do your own research. And I hope this was educational. So I'm out. Peace, everybody.